Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLC 43 AMG. This one's black. Underneath it is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 362 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has 21-inch wheels, diamond style grille up front, illuminated star in the grille, bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the fender, black MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim, panorama sunroof, AMG GLC 43 badging, power liftgate, clean set of AMG floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, parking cameras, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation with voice command, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 43,096 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 43 AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.